Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing top 10 best Wolfman movies. Werewolf, The Beast Among Us. Also known as Wolfman 2, Universal's 2012 horror movie Werewolf The Beast Among Us was originally conceived to be a sequel to the big budget 2010 remake of The Wolfman. However, when the 2010 Rado failed both critically and commercially, the film was refashioned as a standalone story.
This fall,
She, Wolf of London. She, Wolf of London is an 11-year sequel to Werewolf of London, the first Universal monster movie to feature the character that would eventually evolve into the Wolfman. All three films are included on Universal's The Wolfman Legacy Collection DVD release in 2004. She, Wolf of London concerns a rash of grisly murders taking place in a London park. The police suspect a human culprit until they eventually discover a rabid female werewolf ravaging the local townsfolk. The Wolfman. Despite earning legendary makeup artist Rick Baker an Oscar award, Joe Johnston's 2010 remake of The Wolfman was so universally panned by critics and filmgoers alike that all but killed any chance for a sequel. Based by last-minute directorial replacements, lengthy reshoots, release dates, and the rest, The Wolfman is an honest and straightforward remake of the 1941 original.
Let me help you.
Beast will have its day.
House of Frankenstein. A crazy doctor escapes from an insane asylum and seeks the help of Dracula, Frankenstein's monster, and the Wolfman to serve revenge on those who put him away. The film was also set to feature Universal's mummy character, Kharis, but the limited budget prohibited his inclusion. Bela Lugosi was all set to play Dracula, but the shooting was delayed too long for him to accommodate his schedule. Werewolf of London. As mentioned, the 1935 release of Werewolf of London is the first time a killer werewolf appeared in a Universal movie. Following his quest for a rare flower in the Tibet, botanist Wilfred Glandon returns home to witness a spat of grisly slaying that point to an inhuman culprit. With the healing powers of the rare flower his only hope, Glandon sets out to ward off a pack of voracious werewolves.
Of the Mariposa plant in England.
Frankenstein meets the Wolfman. Following the 1941 original film, Frankenstein Meets the Wolfman marks the second time Lon Chaney Jr. portrayed the baleful beast on screen. This time out, Lawrence Talbot enlists the help of demented Dr. Frankenstein to rid his evil streak while also squaring off with the thawed-out Frankenstein monster. However, when Dr. Frankenstein turns out to be dead, Talbot seeks help from his daughter Elsa. The Monster Squad. Although the Monster Squad does not belong to the Universal canon, it clearly pays homage to the studio's classic monster movie lineup. In addition to the Wolfman, Count Dracula and Frankenstein's monster and mummy are all on display. The classic 80s horror comedy follows a ragtag band of preteen misfits called the Monster Squad, who share a love of old horror movies. When the kids learn their town has been overrun by Dracula and his monstrous minions, they historically step up to save the world from oblivion.
It's like Miami Vice, I think.
They're real.
We don't know that, sir.
2,000-year-old.
So which one is your favorite among all? Do share in the comments section. Thank you so much.